Welcome to Sounds of IBM. We're on our way to the IBM Noise-Free Labs in Zurich, Switzerland. They are located in the Binnig and Rohrer Nanotechnology Center, a cutting-edge infrastructure specifically designed for advancing nanoscience and named for two of IBM's Nobel laureates. Eight meters underground, the 6 noise-free labs enable the most sensitive and demanding research experiments at the nanoscale. For such research activities, the slightest alteration in temperature or humidity, excess vibrations, electromagnetic fields, or acoustic sound can be detrimental. Creating an ultra-silent environment with drastically reduced disturbances of all types was critical. The experiments are shielded so well that even the high-speed train passing underneath the lab has no impact on the measurements. It is in such silence that highly sensitive measurement equipment designed for the tiniest nanoscale structures can accurately operate. Join us to experience Sounds of IBM, Noise-Free Labs.